Welcome to Articulation. Let's get started with building a new website. You can log in with your email address or one of your social accounts. We'll be using a Google account today. Great, we've arrived at the dashboard. Through a little movie magic, I've already made things easier for us today, including upgrading to one of our available plans, allowing me to use all the features that Articulation has to offer. I've also already connected a domain to our new website. We'll be sure to dive into this process with an upcoming video on domains. Let's get right to editing our website. We've designed Articulation to be focused simply on the features you need, and our themes are no different. Let's pick Starter. Here we are, the Articulation website editor. Your website is the focus of what you're working on here, and so we keep our UI out of the way until you need it. While our components give you the opportunity to customize their design, even allowing you to change based on light mode, dark mode, desktop, or mobile, you can also use the options that come along with the theme, and your site will look fantastic regardless. Let's start off by changing our site's logo. We're going to go with something bold, and because I'm not a talented graphic designer, a text-based logo. Fortunately, those are easy to make. I've got one for light mode and one for dark mode. You can always use our built-in text logo for this if you don't have images handy. Next, let's change out our sample text here to something that better matches what we're working on. We're talking about neat stuff on the internet, so let's go with that. And let's create a call to action here for the community to help us out with our new site. We'll work on this a bit more later. Let's adjust this container structure. We only need one button here. We'll make this look great. And now we can put in our text. And we'll work on this a bit more later. Now, let's get some categories going. Fortunately, the sample already knows what I have in mind: rocket videos. Then we'll add a travel sites area, as that's pretty neat also. Finally, we'll add a little bit of intrigue by adding an "and more." And again, we'll ask everyone to send us in more neat stuff. Looking good so far. I'm a fan of the bold and bright colors we've added to our original themes, and they look great in every mode. Let's take a look at dark mode and mobile. Yep, I'm happy with this. If you're not a fan of dark mode, you can always disable it here in your site styles. So, let's create our new pages that we talked about before. We're going to add rocket videos and travel sites. There we go. We're ready to add our content. Let's add a rocket video or two. First, we'll add a pithy title for it. We can style this using our text editor here. And now the video. Great. Sometimes things go wrong, and people love seeing explosions anyway, so let's add a classic. And we'll add another pithy title for that, of course. Let's hope the community sends me more so that I can add them to our site. In another video, we'll show you how to add contributors that can do that for us. Now, travel sites. I'm a big fan of Europe, and I love Italy in particular for their great food and beautiful cars. In case anyone's wondering where Italy was, we can provide them with a helpful map for context. We'll use our Google Maps component for that. Now we're going to add a beautiful photo of Florence using our image component. And finally, I'm a big fan of Rick Steves, so let's see what he has to say about Florence by adding a link to one of his reviews and guidebooks. Our linker component makes it easy to add a link to external websites or pages within your own. Let's add a little bit of style to that. Great. Now we're going to make sure that our visitors can let us know where new neat things are on the internet. Let's adjust this contact form. Perfect. Let's put all this together and finish our website. Now we're going to change our navigation to show off our new pages. We can reorder these however we'd like and remove them as well. Now we're going to change this call to action to send visitors to our contact form. I'm pretty pleased with this website, so I'm going to publish it. Done. Let's take a look. Really great looking, and of course backed by our blazing fast and secure hosting that all of our plans include. This works well on desktop or mobile, regardless of what your visitors are viewing it on. Well folks, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you build using Articulation. See you next time.